Hey guys, working on the 84 Tercel again today. Got a new cap, rotor, and some wires. Got the highest quality made in China I could find. And this is just a Beck Arnley cap. It's probably the cheapest one that I found on Rock Auto. Same with these. They're running a special right now. Fuel filters were like 39 cents for Rock Auto, so I ordered 10 of them. But yeah, I already threw the new spark plug wires in it, so I've never pulled the cap and rotor off of it. It may be the original one, so we will pull it off right now and see how she looks and hope for the best. Well, at an initial glance, side by side, it's not too bad. It's the inside of the old one right there. You can see there's a little bit of wear, but that one definitely looks a lot better. This does look like it has been replaced, judging by the weird 21 sticker, and then the NDIIA. I don't know if that's factory Toyota or not. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea, but the stamping on the top seems to be just a smidgen different too, where the spark plug wires go in, but yeah, we're gonna throw this new one on, throw the new rotor on, and then see how she does. A little bit, but it should still be in the general. Yeah, definitely gonna save on this cap and rotor for another day, just in case. But this one definitely was shot. I mean, it wasn't shot before. Well, that gas seemingly runs a little bit smoother anyway. So keep rolling on. Next on the list is the high idle issue. Hopefully knock that out here in the next week or two. I think this whole engine's gonna come out and get a reseal because unfortunately she's leaving her territory wherever she goes. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.